Welcome to From House to Home. This is Seth, I'm Melody, and we are going to craft today. We're going to go and try out some of the stuff we got in our designer kit, and we're going to test out some of these chipboard or the circle ones, and then also this little stand here. So we're going to try out the different transfers that we got in the kit, which is, this one, and there's, when you hold up these two, and these are the ones that we're going to use. So in the design kit, we received also a little squeegee to use. I did go on Amazon and purchase some of the small mini ones as well, just so I had extra, because you only get the one in the pack. These colors here are what was included in the pack, and Seth can try this out. So it's nice, small, tiny thing. I saw that you can use and cut this so you have smaller ones and get more, but I just thought I'll leave this intact and use these small ones. So we are going to get started. We are going to do the chockable chips. You need to have the transfer and you need to have a towel because we're going to fuzz it. All right, so let's take some scissors and cut this. So we have the squeegee from this kit, and then I also bought these mini squeegees from Amazon. And they look like this. Now what we're going to do is put it on the chip. Is that where you want it? Okay. And then we're going to take the colors. You said you wanted to do gold. And we need very, very little. I think Seth, yours is good to go. Hold on. So let's just scrape off anything. Well, then we can put it back in here, right? And then let's, and then let's open it here. Ready? Let's show people can see. Ooh, very nice. You did that, Seth. It's pretty cool. Yeah, you can just wipe it off. And then you can put this into a bowl of water, which we forgot to get, to wash this transfer off. So it was super easy. Yeah, it's too dry. We need some water in the green and red, but the gold is a good texture. Yep, the green was too dry. So this is what happens when you use paste that is too thick. So this is the wrong kind of texture. This is the correct texture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of distilled water in with this on a separate little container and remix it. You can see, you can wash this away. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to wipe all this away and redo it. It's not crafting if my hands aren't all gross.